So this is what we're going to do. One is registering into community, academy, and one more is the development environment. I will show you how it is going to happen. Okay. So let me showcase. Now imagine I'm just trying to everyone do one thing. What I'm doing, just can do community.apn.com. Type it on your browser. Okay. Community.apn.com. Same here. What you are saying, just do that. And here you will get sign in. Once you click sign in, you will get like this. Okay. I'm just going here, register now. Just follow what I'm doing. Okay. Register now. Just give your password, whatever the password you really feel, just give that. Okay. After that, just give your name. Okay. And just agree and this consent, everything, just give it and then save this one. So if you see next, what it is saying, a verification email has been sent. Where it has been sent, it will be sent to your email ID. So let's wait to get that verification email. So go to your inbox and wait till you get that email. Okay. It takes little time. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. You will get a verification email, post which you have to do the rest activity. Okay. Meanwhile, that email comes in, I will show you some other activities as well. So everyone done with the registration or no?
Yes, yes.
Let's make it. Okay.
Yes.
I just want to make it everyone to be done with this registration today, so that you will be having your own dev environment to start practicing. Sometimes it may come to your updates as well. So that's where I'm just checking whether. Okay, so just verify. You will get an email. Okay, so till the email comes in, what we can do, we will start going through some architecture part, like, what exactly this Appian. But let me know if anyone got emails as well when you are done with your activities, so that at least I can. So anyone get an email post registration? to your inbox?
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, sir. I received. Actually, I registered it yesterday only.
Okay. And you have received
I
an email, right, with the verification?
yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you have done post which, so have you done with any verification and then you
Yes,
have,
sir. Authentication. I took the email
okay.
authentication step.
So you have set up,
Then
yeah, so you set up with your entire username, password, and even with this, the verification as well, right? Like, this, um, two-time verification. I mean, like, the OTP setup and everything.
yes, sir. I have done it.
Okay. So how many of you have done with this activity? Most of everyone is done, or how many?
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay. Okay, so if not, till I get an email, do one thing. If anyone get that email right, please proceed and do your username and password setup, as well as the second one is the OTP setup. Okay. Still, I'm not seeing the email. It will take a little time. I see for few it takes immediately, for few it may come like, very fast. So see, now it came actually. Okay. It came now. Okay, so just do that. So you get an email like this, post which you just click this verify email. Okay. This links open suspicious, don't open. I'm just doing open anyway. Okay. Let me change this. This is not taking me from my browser. But anyway, I will see whether it is verified or not. But everyone can do it, okay? I don't know whether it allows me. Yeah, it is allowing, okay? So you just need to verify. And then I'm just going to the SMS authentication setup. You can go with anything here, but I'm just going through this SMS authentication setup, okay? So just select the country and give your phone number, okay? So, but follow everyone the same process. Okay, so so you will get in a message to verify that one. So I'm done actually. Here by default you will get your profile. Okay, like in your display name, your first name, last name. You can write your own about your. If you have anything to write about you, like what exactly in which company you're working or anything, and if you can upload your profile pic as well here, and mention the company if you are from any company. Okay, I'm writing just BB9 digital. I'm just writing something here. You can write Imagine I'm just writing. Imagine you can select designer or developer. If you have any LinkedIn URL as well, you can do it. Here you just mention your phone number. Okay, so like that, at least fill that mandatory fields, and all these are needed. And here just select. And here, if you're having any specific interest, you can select anything. Okay, like if you're having specific interest on integrations, cloud, and everything, and then just click update. Okay, and then save your profile. So your profile has been saved. Now, if you see that, right, at the right-hand side, you're seeing community members get access to a free, unlimited Appian instance. So this is a dev environment. Okay. So everyone is seeing on your desktop with your own profile, this get my site at this moment. I just need answers. Okay. Why? Because, right, this is really needed. Now, if I say get my site, then only the instance will get created, the development instance. So everyone is able to see or no on your own profile.
Yes.
Okay. So just do that. Click here, get my site, select India here. Okay. And then why community edition is mentioned. Okay. Here mention I am evaluating Appian for use of at my company. I am considering. Okay. I'm considering a partnership with Appian. I'm experimenting with app development. I'm competing Appian training online or in person. So much is written, right? So imagine others as well. You can select this one, okay? Like, I mean, you're doing your training, right? So just mention where is that? So here I'm completing Appian training online or in person. Just select that one, okay? And then just select this agree, and then just do get my site, okay? And once you click this get my site, you will get one more email now to your inbox with your Appian dev environment instance username and password. Okay, and it will take little time to get ready. If you just click the check status, now you can see where it is in. Okay, so when your environment is available, you will receive an email with your credentials. Okay, so that is how you're seeing, right? Okay, let me see any more emails. This is done. We have done with it. Even this as well, we have done with it. Yeah. So if you see here, it's written like, it will take little time. Okay. We will get an email. Okay. Once you get an email, they will provide you a link as well. Okay. And using that link, you can directly log in. I will show you how it looks like. Okay. Let me showcase whether any such email I'm having here. Or I don't think so. I'm having any. Okay, but we will get an email. We'll see that once I get an email, I will showcase that. And now if you see here, you will get a link similar to this. Okay. Imagine I'm having a link like this, right? cups.apn community dot. Okay. And there is a site they have given. Similarly, you will get one link like this and one username and password. What you have to do that you need to log in with you just need to execute this link on your browser. Then Appian ask you how exactly you will get it. Let me sign out. Imagine you will get, this is the link you will get. Okay, and once you get this, once you click fire this one on your browser, it will ask you I agree for this terms. Then you just need to do I agree. Then it will ask you what is the username. Imagine I'm just giving. Okay, just enter your username and password. It will take you to the dev environment. And here, what you have to do that, here you can see that once you click the right hand side, here you are seeing admin console, Appian designer, Appian RPA, cloud database, system logs, about Appian, right? So you are seeing so many things here. And by default, you are seeing so many applications as well. Okay, so this is actually an environment. Okay, now see that what I will do. If you just click this top one, what will happen? This will take you to the admin page. Means for your site, this is admin, where you can configure so many activities like your branding, your color, what type of color you really want. Now, if you say it's on blue, now this is what Appian. If you really wants to have something different, you can go and change it. And similarly, there are so many options here available. Okay, this will cover when we really start this Appian admin portion. But this is where, like, we are going to have the administration page. This we call actually an Appian administration console, where we can configure some application related or entire platform related configurations. Now, second, Appian RPA. Appian RPA, if you see, this is a completely different tool, okay, where some robotics related activities we can do here. But currently, this is not needed for any Appian developer or designer. This is altogether a completely different course, and this is not required for Appian designers or developers. Appian RPA is completely different. Now, what you have next? Cloud database, right? If you just go and see the cloud database, yesterday we have seen, right? So Appian by default gives you a database as well with MariaDB, where you can do your own tables or whatever you want for your applications, you can do that. Okay, this is where Appian gives you. So imagine if I click this. Now, what is next? Now, if you see the designer, if you see suit/design, similarly for admin, suit/admin. Okay, so now this is where you are going to build your applications, where you can create your new applications. See, if you really wants to go create a new application, you can create here. And now, once you have an application, imagine it's a very simple application. Okay, and now if you really wants to add your own objects, you can add. And like yesterday, I told you, Appian is nothing but Appian designer and developer is nothing but learning these objects. If you are learned all these objects with good hands-on, means you are going to become an expert in Appian. Okay, so that is how it is. Now, what else we have? Now there is a system logs. If you see that here, you will get so many log files. Imagine if while doing something, you are getting some errors, right? Imagine if you want to see what type of errors all those are, those you are going to get here in, imagine this is one thing you are having Tomcat study outlog. If you go and open it here, you can see if there are any errors in your application at present, or all those you are going to get it here. Okay, so this is about this site actually. Let me see. Okay, so far no email. I'm seeing from Appian community. Let Appian to send that. But if anyone has already received any such email, you are good to log in with your credentials and you can see how your designer, admin, and everything is set up already. Okay, so this is how it is. So now, next, what we are going to learn today. Now, today, what we have learned, registering into community.apn.com. Now, what we have in this community, like yesterday I told you, this community, you by default you will have so many activities available here. Like you can see the entire Appian documentation. Okay. Okay. So your current Appian version. What is the current Appian version? Is 23.1. Okay. This is what the current Appian version. And for Appian designer, Appian data, interfaces means UI, everything you will be having a well-defined, good documentation is already available from Appian. Now, if I just click here, Appian designer, it will show you step by step how to create an application, how to create what exactly. Imagine if you just go and see this page right here. Okay, so what is this left panel, right panel, what everything data? You can see here itself. See this? What is a build view, application setting, users view, everything is defined here. So what exactly mean by using this documentation, you can easily understand by self-learning as well. You can understand what exactly is really this documentation is all about. And there are very detailed information about tutorials and the API functions, data types, smart services, design objects, and everything will be available. We are going to cover all this in our training program, all these data types, queries, okay, functions, everything we are going to cover. But I'm just showcasing you how this community is really going to help you. And now next, if you just go to Academy, okay, let me see the Academy part as well. Academy.apn.com. Here, what you will get is in terms of videos you can learn. See, if I just go with academy.apn.com, it will show you so many videos. By going through those videos as well, you can understand what is this APN designer, developer. So see here, so something my courses discuss, practice, okay, uh, and certify. If you go here, my courses, currently nothing is available. Okay, imagine, let's go with catalog. So here you can see beginner learning path. Okay, technical product training, experienced developer learning path. Okay, so imagine if I just go here, here you can see APN developer, right? You can just go and enroll to this APN developer. Okay, imagine if I enroll this. Similarly, you can see here APN developer, analyst, APN administration. What I have enrolled. This one, yeah. So see here, you will get so many courses under that. Welcome to the APN Developer, Essentials, Introductions, Database Design, like that. You will get so many courses here itself. Okay, so if you can follow all these along with our training every day, you will get very detailed understanding of all these topics. Okay, so whenever you have free time, post this discussion and the training part as well, you are good to go and enroll into, and this is free, so you are good to go and enroll into all this and you can understand and you relate what we are saying and what exactly APN is given. You can go through all this and you can practice. I hope you understood about APN developer as well now. I mean this academy. And now um,
7.
Hello, yeah, tell me. Okay. So now certifications. Okay. So if you see in Appian, there are some certifications as well. What are these certifications? Post this entire training happens, now you are eligible to write. There are certifications. So certifications are three levels. One is the associate, second one is the senior, third one is the lead. Okay. So Appian is having three levels of certifications. Associate certification, who has, like, 0 to 1 year of experience, and if someone is having good understanding of all the Appian objects, they can write senior. And if someone is having very design architectural level experience, they are good to have this lead level certification as well. So overall, three certifications in your entire career level you can do. And post this training, and once you have a very good practice in your hand, you are good to do the associate level certification. By default, we'll call this as a level 1 certification. Okay. So this certification as well, you will get some test practice as well available here. Okay. In Academy, you will get some test practice to do that. And once you are done with this course, we will help you uh, to get this training as well as the certifications as well. Okay. We'll let you know how, what is the process for it. Okay. So community is done. We are done with the Academy as well. Now, what we are going to do today, now the next portion is, like, we are going to just talk about how exactly this Appian works. Now we have shown so much, right? So let me see how much time is left. 4 minutes. Okay. So we'll do one thing. So I'm going to cover this today for you, the entire architecture, what exactly it means. Now, what I have shown is, like, I'm showing this is the Appian environment. So how this is really going to work behind the scenes when you are saying, and what exactly this suit/design means. Okay. So all these are written here, like, I have already shown, but I will cover everything to you now. Okay, I will do one thing. We had left with this 4 minutes. So I would request everyone to rejoin so that, like, we'll cover this entire presentation. Okay. I'm closing my this session. I will open right away. Please rejoin.